OnePlus 15R was launched in India. OnePlus 15R come in absolute black, sandstorm, and mist purple. Include IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K. The phone will get a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel, which supports an adaptive refresh rate of up to 165 Hz. The phone would have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. Talking about the camera, Sony's 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. A 16MP selfie sensor on the front. The OnePlus 15R packs a 7,400 mAh silicon carbon battery. Supports 80W wired charging. OnePlus 15R price in India starts at 47,999 rupees for the base variant with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of inbuilt storage. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.